If you were recently arrested for a DUI in Illinois, then here are the top 3 things that you need to know right off the bat. Hi, I'm attorney Derek Martin with Driver Defense Team, and our law firm represents hundreds of people who are charged with DUI in the Chicagoland area. So the first thing that you need to know is that a driver's license suspension is coming. How it works is the officer fills out a form when you're arrested, and they send it down to the Secretary of State in Springfield. Secretary of State receives it, and they process a suspension. That suspension begins 45 days after you're arrested. And that suspension can last 6 months, 12 months, or even 3 years, depending on the circumstances of your arrest and your background. So as long as you know that that suspension is coming, well, you can use that information to make some decisions. Decisions about how fast you want to hire a lawyer, decisions about maybe applying for a permit through the Secretary of State, decisions about how you're going to get to work or, have your transportation in the future. So it's a very key aspect of a DUI and one of the first things that people have to start. Number 2 is that you should know that the average DUI, at least here in Chicagoland area where we practice, Cook, DuPage, and Lake counties, the average DUI lasts somewhere between 6 and 12 months. So some people have a mistaken belief that they're just going to walk into court, maybe take care of it like it's a regular traffic ticket and be done with it. That is not the case. Now, we can speed that up, especially if we know sort of the outcome that we're trying to achieve and how we want to handle this. Sometimes we can get that down to less than 6 months. Other times it may take more than 12 months, especially if we're going to have a trial. Obviously, there's a lot of people and some timing involved in having a trial, so cases can take even years then. So a very important piece of the DUI case so you can sort of set your expectations properly. And third is that a lawyer can help. A lot of people are sort of unsure if they need a lawyer or how they should handle this. Other people, realize right off the bat, I need a lawyer, I need someone fighting for me, and I tend to agree with that. But other people say, they got me, right? I did the breathalyzer, they kind of caught me, I have a DUI, can I just go take care of this? The answer is no. A lawyer can absolutely help you. Not only in terms of the outcome, right, which is a dismissal, not guilty, a reduced charge, supervision, guilty. There's a whole bunch of possible outcomes to the charge, but also in terms of potential penalties, right? Things like the driver's license suspension that we talked about, things like fines and fees, community service, what hits your record, what doesn't hit your record. All that is open to negotiation or open to be resolved where a skilled lawyer can definitely help you achieve a more favorable outcome and take care of your case the right way. Now, if this is something you want to talk more about, we do this all day long. We talk DUIs all day. So if you want to talk with us, feel free to give us a call, shoot us a message, and we will be happy to provide you a free consultation where you can see how these things and more apply to your DUI case. Thanks for watching.